Almost everyone has been talking about YouTube Shorts lately, but none of them tell us how exactly you can make money from YouTube Shorts, even if you still don't have a YouTube channel. So, if you guys have no idea what YouTube Shorts are, it's basically a YouTube version of TikTok. These are short, funny, or interesting videos that are meant to go viral, just like TikTok. We know you probably don't have all the time in the world to be actually filming or creating your own YouTube shorts, but that's why we will be showing you in today's video exactly how you can start earning from YouTube shorts without having to film yourself or having to film anything for that matter. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, this method is completely free as long as you have a YouTube channel, or even if you just created a brand new channel that has 0 subscribers, you can partake in this and earn from it because YouTube Shorts are meant to go viral. If you have YouTube available to you, then you can definitely do this method. It's supposed to be worldwide, but that really depends if you have the application available to you. So comment down below what country you're from so that we can make more YouTube videos that will be available to you. Let's just go ahead and start this whole method. The first step to this method is to look for a video that has the potential to go viral. So we want you to go on YouTube first, and remember that you can explore on different categories like maybe animal videos, prank videos, funny dog or cat videos, and what we're going to be looking for as an example would be funny cat videos. So don't worry, because you can choose whatever video you would like. We're just choosing funny cat videos as an example for today's video. So go ahead and look up whatever kind of video you like, but we're going in and typing cat cucumber. Now, as you can see here, these videos get millions of views, and we bet it's because these videos are hilarious. Now let's actually filter this and click on view count so that all of the most viewed cat cucumber videos will come out at the top. As you can see, there are up to 100 million views, 44 million views, and a lot more the more that you scroll down. So let's choose the one that isn't animated. Let's choose this one that has about 21 million views, and it's entitled Cucumbers Scare the Life Out of Cats. Now make sure you pay attention, okay? Because we aren't going to be copying this whole entire video because that's not allowed. But what we are going to do is we're going to get a clip from this video, preferably the funniest part of the video, that we can use for YouTube Shorts. And then that's what we're going to use. There's a whole lot more to this process, so you need to keep watching or else you're not going to be able to learn. So open that up, and once you've opened that up, we're gonna play a little bit of it just so you can get a little preview. But as you can see, it's extremely funny how these cats really jump because of cucumbers. That's something I'd like to see. Anyway, what we want you to do next is that we want you to go ahead and click on share and then copy the link of this video like so. Once you've done that, we can go ahead and proceed with step number 2, which is downloading this video to our computers. So go ahead and open up a new tab and then search for YouTube to MP4 converter. And as you can see, there's a lot to choose from, so go ahead and choose whatever you want, but we're gonna go with this one over here, which is yt1s.com. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to paste the link that you just copied over here where it says to paste your YouTube link. So go ahead and do that, and then once it's pasted, you then click on convert MP4 to convert the YouTube video, and then once it's converted, you can go ahead and download it to your computer right away. Once that's done, we can go ahead to step number 3, which is going over to canva.com. The reason for this is because we need to make that video that we just downloaded fit to be a YouTube Shorts video. And we are going to teach you how you can do that on Canva for completely free. Now we want you to look up mobile video on Canva's search bar, and as you can see, you will be met by a ton of different templates for a mobile video, but we want you to just click on create blank mobile video, and once you're here on your blank template, you can just easily drag that video that you downloaded over here on Canva so that it will look like this. And then we're going to do is we're going to expand this so that it fits just exactly the size of the mobile video template, and so that it's big enough for the viewers to watch. So expand it and adjust it until you feel like the size is enough, but make sure to leave the top and the bottom part blank because we're going to be putting something on there. Then we're going to start cropping the video, grabbing the funniest part for us. Now, you can do up to a minute, but for this video, let's just do the first 15 seconds of the video. So, go ahead, start cropping, and just follow what we're doing. And now we have our 15-second clip ready for YouTube Shorts. As easy as 1, 2, 3, right? Next, we're going to be adding some text to both the top and the bottom blank spaces that we saved. You can choose any template for the text over here. We're just going to choose this one right here, and by the way, this is free. So first, place that in its position before you type anything. So we're going to drag that up here so you can easily change the words on there. So just click on that and erase it, and proceed to type in link and description. You can adjust the size of that to make it fit, and boom, there you have it. Now you can easily copy that and then paste it so you have another copy of that word, and then drag the second copy of that to the lower blank so that the 2 blank spaces will be occupied. And actually in the bottom part, you can add arrows pointing downwards just so people will know where to look for the said link. Now this link is going to be the call of our action to actually start earning. So we're definitely far from done, but the steps are going to be pretty basic. So just make sure that you pay attention and follow along so you too can earn from YouTube Shorts. Then you're going to download this video so you can upload it on your YouTube channel. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. Step number 4 is to go on your YouTube channel and then upload the video that you just made. So make sure the title and tags and everything will trigger your SEO so that your video will go viral and you can make money from it. So for the title, we can do funny cats scared of cucumber, and then proceed to put hashtag shorts so that YouTube can identify this video as a short video. For the description, just copy the title like so. Thumbnail will be provided for you, so you don't need to worry about that. And then look for where you can put your tags and just put hashtag shorts, and you can add more that's related to your video. So you can put funny cat, cat scared of cucumber, whatever it is, so that it will attract more people to watch your shorts. Now, before we upload, you need to make sure that this will monetize, so we will show you how exactly you can do that without Google AdSense. Step number 5, go on teespring.com. This is where we can create merch that Teespring will be making. How this works is that we will be leaving a link to it, and if someone buys that merch, Teespring will ship out and do everything, and then we will get about 50 to 60% from that sale alone. And that's exactly how we're going to be earning. Let's click on Start Designing, As you can see, we can choose what type of product we want to create, and there are t-shirts here, different types of clothing. But since we are in a pandemic, masks really sell out and it is very timely. So let's go ahead and choose face masks and then start designing a mask. Now you may be wondering, how are we going to create a design? So now go ahead on pexels.com. This is where you can download free stock images from. So once you're on here, you can look up whatever the video you made is related to. For us, it's scared cat, so let's see if they have anything for that on here. And as you can see, they have a lot. Now, this is a pretty cute but scared cat right here, so let's go ahead and download that and then just upload it on our Teespring launcher. And as you can see, we now have a mask with a cute cat on it, and any crazy cat person like me would definitely buy this mask. So you can see the price of this mask and then how much you would be getting from the sale. And this is per purchase, okay? So if a lot of people purchase this, then you will also get a lot of money. It's that simple. What we're going to do next is get the link of this product, copy it, and then paste it on the description box of the YouTube shorts that you're about to upload. So just type in like funny scared cat mask and then paste the link. So now you have a YouTube shorts video that's going to go viral, plus a monetization method that you can earn directly from. And that's basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.